was out sick for a couple days, had a strep throat I think or something, but anyways, this is what the concrete looks like when it's set up. Edges are all cut kind of natural. Nice concrete curb. Got some builder sand today I can sweep in. I'm gonna suck some of this sand out. It's not the ideal stuff to put in. No talking, throat hurts. Pictures, no talk. That looks nice though. Right, sweat clay sand in. Hose. And wash it in all the cracks so it fills up all the air pockets and should be good. It'll look really good when it's done. Clay sand is swept in. Took a wet vac or a shot vac and sucked out the cracks. Get all the pieces of gravel out so it didn't look like that path over there. Throat's still sore. The sun just went behind the clouds and you can see it a little better now. I'm starting on this again today. You can see in that last video I had to take down a bunch of what was over here, kind of put it back so it's in a straight line. We were walking back and forth over it, knocking it down or knocking it forward, but basically I got to build it up to there. This is all stuff that was existing, different wall, different style of wall. But there's risers that go right there, 4 feet off the brick. I'll go up here to the patio. Enough of the patio. Yeah, this is the wall. Nice and straight. Straight. Doesn't look like it, but it is, I swear. Yeah, another corner right here. Then when the stairs are over there, I've got to build a cheek wall on the left, and then a little double cheek wall, I guess, on the right that returns in. I don't know if you can see it. There's a little bit of a wall underneath there when we did the deck. But that's it. We're getting there. I got to work on the deck tomorrow.